Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is December 17 and the chart of the day is oil. Now, sorry for the previous video, for some reasons the sound has some issues, so I'm redoing it again here. So we're looking for oil. If you look at the latest move, it just continues to drop on the downside, right? And if you go to the weekly, in fact, it made a new low recently, just today, breaking below April low this year. So currently showing a lower low sequence all the way up from 2022 peak, which is by the definition this is a bearish sequence, continues to make a lower low. Now there are a couple of different ways to basically measure the target. Now I do not want to be overly bearish because again there will be a limit to how low it can go, because technically oil will always have a value, right? So one way to do it is if you measure it this way, 100% extension, 1 2 3, this can go to 28. I'm not sure if it can go all the way there, or it can truncate, right? It can always truncate. It could be 1 2 3 4 5. So again, I do not want to be overly too bearish, so to speak, right? With regards to oil, and I just want to take it kind of step by step, right? Step by step. And for now, we're looking for the downside within with 3 here. So this is with 3 in blue and with 3 in black. So we're looking for rally to fail in the sequence of 3 swing or 7 swing while it stays below 60.5 to continue lower to form this with 3 here. We can take a look at the 4-hour time frame to get short-term view of the oil. So if we take a look at the 4-hour and looking at the wick 2 here in the black, this is the wick 2 and that means this is the wick 1 here. So if we simply measure the extension lower, so that basically means the decline from here is in 5 ways down, right? Now if you measure this 1 2 3 here, it technically is already more or less hitting the 100%, which is kind of warning sign. It could be ending 3 technically, but then the internal of the 3 looks to be only 3 swings so far. So I think still can see a bit more downside, at least one more leg to finish the cycle from the peak. Okay, but overall we do continue to like for the downside still. Potentially it can go to maybe $50 if you measure the internal here. If I just 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, if I use this one for example, measuring 100% extension, that will be 50.8, right? That will be 50.8. If I measure 100% from here, that will be 52.6, which is not that far. So I would say between 50 and 52.6 will be a potential target on the downside in the near term. Now in the long term, again, I don't want to speculate how far it can go, because I think if you look at it from the channel perspective trend line, you can see that oil actually is breaking higher from this flag, right? It's a bullish flag breaking higher, and now you can see there's a multiple retest of this broken trend line, broken flag here. So I don't really want to be ultra bearish at the moment in oil, because I think at some point this could be a false breakdown only to completely bounce again and stay above this trend line, and then eventually when the time is up, it can actually starts to rally tremendously. So that's why I think if shorter cycle, yes, we can see more downside. Long term, I don't want to be on the bearish side, especially considering that other commodities like the metals are very bullish. Copper, silver, gold are very bullish. So and oil definitely is the input, right? The input cost for miners. They use oil to mine all those metals. So I think at some point this oil can start to snap back up. But for now though, yes, it's still looking pretty bearish for now, shorter cycle, but don't get overly too bearish, and still can see more downside, yes, and rally to fail in 3711 for the downside for now. All right, until we finish this entire correction, and then again the target lower can be between 50 and 50 and 50 like mentioned before, 50 and 53, I think 50. Yeah, this is 50.8, and then here is 52.5 or so, right? So 50.8 to 52.5 is going to be possible next target. All right, so if you want to get more updates, please feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial. You can use the link in the description of the video. So see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.